All right, guys, here we go. Friday, October 21st, looking at AMD 2-minute chart. And we're looking at these low pivots here for possible support. And right now, we're looking for a resistance zone from this low pivot on this side. See over here, we couldn't get through it, couldn't get through it. So we're going to see if we get a bounce here. In other words, the bulls coming in to support price action to the upside. However, it's all pretty much contingent on the current candle that we're on. We still have over a minute to go, so we could go either way. And the closer we get to the close, we'll be able to determine if we're going to get a continued price push to the downside here. As you can see, price, it'll get far and away from the 20, but then you'll either roll over and come back into the 20. And this is true on the daily, weekly, 2-minute, whatever. Or, as you can see here, we came down, consolidated, and had a little bounce to the upside. And that's kind of where we are now. So, and you always want to be, trading in the direction of the 20. And we're looking like, I'm going to go ahead and take this right now, even though we haven't closed yet. And 22 seconds. Okay, let's see if we can't get in here on this current candle. And if we pull back up to the 20, we'll take another position here to the short side. And we're looking at, of course, a push back into this consolidation zone. And if we dip under it, then we might be looking at this low pivot here. There we go. See if we can get 200 out of here. See, nice. Now if we go under here, now that's not good for the bulls. Bears, in the midterm here, taking over. Trying to get 200 out of here, then we'll get out. Sometimes you can't get the exact price you want, but not bad. Even right now, a little over $100 in a couple of minutes. I don't like this bottoming tail here being bought up off this support zone, but obviously that's where they stepped in for the moment anyway. And like we were pointing out on the other video, basically what we were in was an inside bar. In other words, all these candles pretty much closing inside this green bar here. Yeah, we wicked over, under whatever. But, until we got this candle, that's really what set it off for the play. And you'll see this, on daily, weekly, hourly, even though this is a 2-minute chart, you'll see it on those other charts as well. Pull this in so you can see it. Okay, got another minute. I don't like the way it bounced up. Maybe that was just a little head fake, and we'll see if we'll roll over. Going on 4 minutes in this position. Well, a little bit less than 4 minutes, but still, let's see if we can get, looking for $200. We'll see. Yeah, it's really holding this support line. There's 210, 230, 240. Let's not be greedy. 270. 270, we're out. Let's see if we made the right decision. Well, first of all, anytime you take money out of the market is the right decision. Let's see if we'll come down to this low pivot and and see if we get a little bounce down there. Got another minute to go. We'll hang in there. I mean, that's the end of the video, but I mean, that's, you know, just kind of what it is. Matter of fact, we might try a long position. If we come down here, if we hit that white line, let me take this off so it won't be a distraction. If we hit this one, in other words, come down, hit it, come back through it, then we'll look at taking a long position there. Also, we're on a time count, so that's. But in the meantime, I got about, well, 17, 16 seconds left, and then we click to a new 2-minute candle. Here we go. Boom, right there, go long. See if we can get a couple of bucks out of this. Okay, we're out 40 bucks. So we'll take that. However, if this candle closes here, we could get another candle up. But anyway, yeah, okay, you just gotta be fast and nimble. And how it all started out was this inside bar. So you just sit on your hands until you get a, you know, pretty much a confirmed close, taking out the previous candles in front of it, which happened here. And then we just went, of course, you saw a short there. And we'll see if we're going to come back up to this zone here. That was previous support. And it could be resistance now, but we'll see. Got another, we'll hold on here another 40 seconds. See if it comes back in or we get rejected. Kind of a brick wall here, so a lot of times you'll come up to it and roll over. 20 something, 25 seconds. So anyway, we'll see. So a little bit more, you know, bearish than bullish right now. And 4 seconds, 3 seconds. There we go. So if we take out this green candle, that we had a time count here, then just an opposite color candle, and a lot of times you'll take that out and keep running to the downside. And if that's what happens in this situation, of course, we have that low pivot over here that might help it as it comes through, but then the next, you know, spot could be down here. But all right, guys, hang in there. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on the charts.